Before we start, let me give a brief outline about our clinOXY. So we are located at Hyderabad with our branch office near Nexus Mall near JNTU Kukatpalli. And our mission is to create great career opportunities to pharmacy students and life sciences graduates as well. When talking about clinOXY, it is one of the institute which is trusted by most of the students. And when comes about clinOXY certifications, it is the ISO 9011210 certified clinical research institute, and also it is recognized from MSME. And also clinOXY has Startup India recognition company. And in India, clinOXY is the only institute which is approved by Indian Pharmaceutical Association. And more than 50K students across globe are showing interest to learn with clinOXY. And we have a placement history of about 90%, which is a great track record. So I would like to introduce our CEO, Sir Satish Kumar Vemarapu. Let me give a brief background of our CEO, Sir. So he is an M Pharmacy graduate and a lifetime member of IPA, that is Indian Pharmaceutical Association, and he is having 11 plus years of experience covering various areas of pharmacy, that is on clinical research. He worked into various MNC institutes with a well track record, and he is a Empowerment Leader awardee for the year 2022. And he had lot many certifications from different government bodies like Bodami, TUE, SUD for medical devices, and also for Queenich. And he trained nearly 1500 plus students and also provided career guidance to 2000 plus students. And he is giving 150 plus online and offline career guiding sessions, which are paving path to the pharmacy profession. And we have lot many certifications, as I explained. With this, I would hand over to our clinOXY's CEO, Sir Satish Kumar Vemavarapu.
Yeah, hello Mega. Good morning. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great then. Thank you so much for the introduction. It's a really beautiful introduction for our upcoming life sciences graduates who excel in their career. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mega. Hello everyone. Very good morning. Yeah,
Morning,
can
sir.
anyone? Yeah, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. Very good morning. Thank you so much for the response. As we know, our mission and vision through clinOXY is to create a greater platform to achieve your excellence in your career. That is the only reason we started clinOXY. We are actual professionals having real-time experience, worked with top MNCs. We are not the trainers or the lecturers or the teachers. We are actual employees. Our mission, we are completely dedicating our professional experience to the life sciences graduates career. So as we know, many of the students are not aware about their opportunities, how they can excel in their career, and what are the career opportunities, especially in India and abroad, after B Pharma, M Pharma, Pharmady, B Tech, M Tech, and biotechnology, microbiology, MBBS, BDS. Many of the students are in dilemma. So at this point of time, clinOXY having a greater responsibility towards the society, we started clinOXY and empowering every graduate to excel in their career. That is the only mission and the mission of clinOXY. Myself, Satish Kumar Vemavarapu, I'm having 11 years of work experience, worked with top MNCs like Paraxel International, Cyan, Tech Mahindra, ClinChoice, Metronics, and Granules India Limited as well. So in this session, I'm going to take you guys towards the opportunities we do have after pharmacy and the life sciences sector. Got it? Not only pharmacy and after BSc, MSc, microbiology or biotechnology, nursing and other allied pharmaceuticals or allied healthcare education, what we are having opportunity. So especially pharmacy, we do have a good opportunities into pharmaceutical sector and other practicing area as well. Okay, and if any one of you guys are planning for as a pharmacist, you can go for community pharmacist, hospital pharmacist, and clinical pharmacist. As we know, we do have lot many opportunities into pharma IT sector. Many yeah, yeah, can you please mute, can you please mute? Yeah, Mirja, can you please mute? Thank you, thank you, everyone, because this session is recording, because we are going to share with you guys for further learnings. Thank you. So here, many of the students are talking about pharma IT sector, life sciences IT sector. So we do have plenty of opportunities in IT sector as well. The IT sector is accomplished with a different type of departments like clinical research. Under clinical research, we do have plenty of departments like pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, medical writing, regulatory affairs, medical devices, clinical SaaS, bioinformatics, health informatics, medical scribing, medical transcription, medical coding. Many are there. Okay, usually we called all these IT sector opportunities, especially for life sciences graduates. Many of them people are not aware about these type of opportunities after completing their education, either graduation or post graduation. Okay, as we know, the core departments opportunities in pharmaceutical industry like bulk pharmaceutical industry and formulation pharmaceutical industries. Okay, so here in this session I'm going to take you guys towards opportunities into pharma IT sector. Okay, so what is CRO? Clinical research organization is a industry or the organization or the company which gives a support or the services to the pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies. Okay, so what exactly they are into? Usually, pharmaceutical industry they are engaging in developing new molecule. Then who will conduct clinical trial? CRO industry will conduct the clinical trial. Then who will prepare the document? Regulatory affairs team will prepare the document. Who will report the adverse events? Pharmacovigilance department will report the adverse events. Who will collect the relevant data without any error? Clinical data management team will do that. Who will prepare the medical writing documents? Medical writing department or scientific writing department will do that. So here in this sector of clinical research, we do have plenty of departments to explore. Many of the students are talking about PV, pharmaco. Do we have only pharmacovigilance in India and abroad? No, not at all. Not only pharmacovigilance, we do have plenty of opportunities. Plenty of doors are open. It's your choice to choose the particular department. Got it? Someone is telling that for PV is good. Yes, good for him only, not you. Got it? You have to know about your strength. Then you need to choose the career in particular domain. Got it? I want to go for CDM. I want to go for medical writing. I want to go for regulatory affairs. That vision, got it? That clarity on your career is very important. Just preparing for the exams, giving your just test and getting marks, it's common at college. Got it? Once you done your education from the college, once you come out from the college, you should know about the your career opportunities after your graduation. Where I need to go, which company gives a good salary. After 3 years, what is my plan? After 6 years, what is my plan? How can I start my entrepreneurship? How can I start my own company? That vision is very important. Got it? So no worries. Clinox is here to help you guys. We are the professionals. We are actual employees. We comes from pharmacy background. We know everything and we will help you in a very clarity manner. Don't worry. Okay, what are the departments we do have? Like clinical trials and clinical documentation, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, medical and scientific writing, regulatory affairs and documentation, medical device regulatory documentation, and medical coding and medical scribing. Got it? These are the main departments and clinical SaaS. These are the main departments which comes under clinical research organizations. Okay, so medical coding and medical scribing, why we introduced here? Okay, even we do have opportunities in departments. This comes under healthcare sector. We used to talk to the insurance companies and deals with the physician and the patient's conversations. Clear? So this is all about clinical research industry. So clinical research industry, what they will do, they'll conduct clinical trial, they conduct clinical research activity, they collect the data through pharmacovigilance department, they will correct the data through clinical data management, they will prepare the medical document through medical and scientific department, They'll prepare the licensing documents through regulatory affairs department. Likewise, we do have for medical devices as well. Clear? So once comes about medical coding, what exactly happening in medical coding? So apart from in India, so every citizen of their country should have insurance policy. Once they reach hospitals, they'll explain about their case history. Then the doctor will prescribe some medicines, procedures, operations, and some etc. at the hospital. That conversation will be recorded. That conversation in the form of voice. That voice will be converted into word format. That process is called medical transcription or medical scribing. Please do remember, if you want to note it, you can note it. What do you mean by medical transcription and medical scribing? Just conversion of voice into word document. What voice? The conversation in between the doctor and the patient. It consists of different informations like inpatient and outpatient history, procedures or any operations, any medicament. That type of information will be presented in that voice. So what medical transcription and medical scribing team will do? They will convert that voice into Word document. Very simple. Then the document will be transferred to the medical coding department. Then medical coding department will give codes to that Word document. For example, patient admitted in the hospital more than 24 hours. Then you used to give blindly IP, inpatient. Just patient came to the hospital, visited, just he went back to the home, just 1 hour or 2 hours. Then OP, very simple. So like that, we do have different type of codes for each and individual procedure, drug and pathology systems like laboratory test as well. That is what about medical coding. Once the medical coding given coding to the complete document, then it will be the document goes to the medical billing and insurance team. Then medical billing team, they will contact the patient. Then they will check that particular process, whether it is really happened or not. How much amount of that particular amount will be reimbursed to that particular patient from the insurance company. If everything is good, then they will give tick mark like yes, it is good and this is genuine document. Then the document will goes to the insurance company. Then insurance company will release the amount to the patient. This is the story behind medical transcription, medical scribing, medical coding, and medical billing, AR calling, and insurance strategies. Clear? So I just deviated that I know, but many of the students are messaging in our group, sir, can you please explain about medical coding, coding? Yes, we do have plenty of opportunities in medical coding also, but you need to learn about all these clinical research organization departments as well. Okay, so great. Then next. So I do have a very good slides and presentations in going ahead. So I'll explain you each and everything in a very good manner. It's very easy to understand, you guys. So I will give you a brief note on each and individual department in clinical research. Please do remember, everyone, clinical research means not only one department. Okay, clinical research means all the departments is combined together. We call clinical research. Got it? What departments will come? Mainly pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, medical writing, regulatory affairs, and clinical science. All these departments together conduct a clinical research and get the license from the regulatory authority. Many of the people, I want to learn about only CDM. Then what about PV? Then what about medical writing? You don't want to learn. Yes, exactly. So that is the reason clinOXY come up with an excellent training programs. We cover all the departments at one single training program. That is the reason Clinox students are working in top MNCs and they are ready for the opportunity in any of the department, not only one department. You can check with any Clinox student. They are, they can say that yes, I am ready to attend any of the interview. That is what our motto here. Okay, yes. What do you mean by clinical research? So clinical research department will conduct clinical trial activities and clinical research methodologies, and they'll choose the clinical trial site, and they'll perform randomization, and they'll do blinding process, and they'll recruit the patients. Got it? So ultimate clinical research team, what they will do, they'll collect the data of the clinical trial. That's it. Then that data will be transferred to the pharmacovigilance team, and they can enter into clinical database. Once that data of adverse event in the form of SAE report sent to the pharmacovigilance team, what pharmacovigilance team do? They will easily identify the adverse event, then capture that pharmacovigilance adverse event data of the particular drug, study drug, into the database like Argus and Erischi. For what purpose pharmacovigilance team will enter that adverse event data into a software? Why? The ultimate goal is to submit that data to the regulatory authority. We can't able to give the document in the form of paper to the regulatory authority. No, they won't accept. They want a stringent and a particular process. So what exactly pharmacovigilance team will do? They will collect the adverse event data from clinical research. Then they'll enter that adverse event data into Argus and RSG databases. These are the databases which we use in pharmacovigilance. Database is like, in your easy understanding, software. You can say software. In that they will enter that particular SAE data. Then after screening, after thorough checking, if everything is good, then pharmacovigilance team will submit that adverse event data to regulatory authority while conducting clinical trial. This is an ongoing process. Okay. Today, 10 adverse events. Clinical research team will collect the data and send back to the pharmacovigilance team. Tomorrow, 30. Day after tomorrow, 40. Like that, they will collect adverse event and send back to the pharmacovigilance team. Then they will check the data, they will enter into software. Then after entering the software, then submit into the regulatory authority. It's a continuous process till clinical trials are completed. Clear? So the ultimate goal of pharmacovigilance team is to collect the accurate data from the clinical trial team or prepare the accurate data to the regulatory submissions. Next, clinical data management team. As I mentioned previously, clinical research team will enter the data directly into database, clinical database. So the database which we use in pharmacovigilance is called safety database. The database which we used in clinical data management is called clinical database. Please do remember, this is one of the important question when you are attending any interview. Interviewer may ask you, can you please tell me the databases which we used in pharmacovigilance and clinical data management? If you come up with a bookish knowledge, you need to tell, you usually tell like, yes, Argus and REG is for pharmacovigilance. And Medidata is Rev for, Medidata Rev and Inform Oracle is for clinical data management. That is not the correct presentation. Clinox is dedicating ourselves and we are mainly focusing on student presentations. We won't believe in bookish knowledge. We won't encourage bookish knowledge. We are going to prepare you guys and make you ready to present in a beautiful and professional manner. Instead of telling that the software or the database which we using in pharmacovigilance called safety database, sir, and the examples are RSG and Argus. The database which we using in clinical data management, clinical database, the examples are Medidata Rev and Inform Oracle. That is the presentation. Yes, exactly. Presentation makes huge difference. It shows huge difference in your interview success. Just imagine one company having 10 openings. 100 members are applied. Interviewer will take only 50 members interviews. Only 40 first round of screening they will screen. Only 30 for first round of technical interview. Only 20 for second round of interview. Only 15 for final round of interview. What is the meaning of only here? Why the people are decreasing? But most of the students are prepared well. They are having good answers for that particular question also. I'm telling you, everyone is preparing because everyone is talented. Got it? Everyone having intention to learn. Yes, exactly. But what is the difference in between the 100 to 10 people? Only presentation. That is the main gap. That is the main gap. For example, can you please tell me about yourself? People are don't know about what I need to explain in. Tell me about yourself. Can you please tell me about your weakness? Many of the people are telling weakness. Why you people are telling weakness in your interview? Please stop it. Interview is to showcase your strengths, not weakness. That most of the students are doesn't know. That is the reason clinOXY come into the picture with a real-time training program. It's not like bookish knowledge. Got it? So do believe in that. Prepare yourself for the good presentation, not for the answer. Please do remember, if you are answered wrongly, also not an issue, but your presentation should be in the good manner. Got it? Next. So what clinical data management team will do? Clinical data management team will get the information from the adverse event of the particular drug from the clinical trial data through clinical database, and they will check the data whether the clinical research team entered correctly or not. Did they miss anything? Is there any logical discrepancy? Is there any missing information? Got it? Is there any inaccurate data? So is there any laboratory test is missing? Is any start date or end date of the event is missing, outcome is missing? This type of mistakes was identified and resolved by clinical data management team. The ultimate goal of clinical data management team also is to get the accurate clinical trial data to submit regulatory authority. Okay, done. Medical writing team, it's very simple. Medical writing team involves it, sorry, lot of activities to prepare the clinical trial documents like protocol, investigator brochure, informed consent form, and clinical study reports. These are the different types of clinical research documents will prepared by medical writing team, taking help by scientific writing team. We do have plenty of opportunities in medical writing and scientific writing outside. Many of the people are telling that PV, clinical research. With our core experience as a project leads and team leads, I'm just encouraging you guys. These departments are excellent to get a good opportunity in top MNC. If you have a plan to start your own company, just go and get job in scientific writing and medical writing. If you want to work with top MNCs, want to start your entrepreneurship, you just choose all these departments. What about regulatory affairs team? Regulatory affairs team involves in preparation of different regulatory documents. What are those? IND, investigational new drug application. NDA, new drug application. ANDA, abbreviated new drug application. BLA, biological application, and ECTD documents, electronic common technical documents. Once the medical writing team with the help of SAS department prepared the final clinical trial document, clinical study reports, regulatory affairs team will prepare the application for the regulatory authority. Yeah, can you please mute yourself? Yeah, Jack. Yeah, thank you, Jack. Thank you so much. Yeah, great. You people are responding in the chat box. Really, I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Yeah. So once the license or the once the application is prepared by regulatory affairs team, that will be submitting to the regulatory authority. Okay. So what is the involvement of regulatory affairs in drug development? From drug development to releasing the drug into the market, to sustain the drug into the market, regulatory affairs team plays a crucial role. It's very simple. I'm telling you, from drug development, from research and development, from identification of new molecule, from by conducting different synthesis from chemical, physical, electromagnetic, biotechnology, microbiology, many scientific research studies we are conducting at drug development process. From that process to release the drug into the market, even after to sustain the drug into the market also, regulatory affairs team closely work with pharmaceutical industry and regulatory authority as well. They are going to prepare different applications. So, and this 1 hour time is not sufficient for us to explain more about these IND, ND and AND. I'm very sorry for that, and we'll connect in another session also. Don't worry, we are going to conduct many sessions. And okay, and this is all about regulatory affairs. Okay, so I'll give you a brief note on clinical research. It's very easy to understand. Kindly don't go through the bookish knowledge. Got it? Book will give you initial set of knowledge only. It's our responsibility is to know in a practical manner what exactly happening in that area, what exactly the procedure in that particular department. It's our responsibility. Everyone will explain with their bookish knowledge, many of the people. Got it? But it's our responsibility should know about in a real time manner. Okay, so how it will be? So by using Google and YouTube, and with the mentorship of experienced candidates like at clinOXY, you will learn in real time trainings. You will learn in the mode of real time mentorship. Clear? So it's I am going to make you guys very good clarity on clinical research, what exactly it is. So what do you mean by clinical research? It's very simple. It's a branch of healthcare science that determines the safety and effectiveness. What is that? It's a branch of healthcare science. What it is going to do? Determining, identifying, analyzing, confirming safety and efficacy. What exactly it is doing? Determining, identifying, analyzing, and confirming safety and effectiveness. What is safety? What is effectiveness? It's very simple. If the patient taken paracetamol by 10 o'clock, for example, by 10:30, at 10:30, he observed that fever was reduced. It means body temperature was reduced. 10 to 10:30. So the time taken by the paracetamol to produce the desired pharmacological activity is called effectiveness. How much time my drug is taking to produce desired pharmacological activity. That is called effectiveness. How much time? Yes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour. That effectiveness you are determining in clinical research. After 10:30, same patient felt skin rash. For example, he experienced skin rash, for example, by 10:45. And after 10 minutes, okay, somewhat is feeling headache, nausea, and vomiting. Is it safe drug to use? I'm just asking everyone. Yes or no? Is it safe drug to use? I need your response. Is it safe drug?
ఏదో అయితుంది క్లాసు ఏంటిదో ఏమో.
Hello. Yes, yes, exactly. So here, no, this is not the safest drug to take. Got it? Safety and effectiveness. Safety in the sense, yes, whether that particular drug is safe or not, I'm going to confirm by conducting clinical research activities. Got it? So is this clinical research only for drugs? No, it's also for medical devices. It's also for diagnostic product. It's also for a treatment regimen. So the ultimate goal is for human use. Clear? So clinical research is a branch of healthcare science that determines the safety and effectiveness of the medication, devices, diagnostic products, and treatment regimens ultimately for human use. Okay, so here one document will help you to conduct entire clinical research. That document is called protocol. Protocol is the ultimate document of clinical research. If clinical research team have protocol, so we can conduct clinical research according to the ICH-GCP guidelines. Okay, so my clinical trial is completed, then I will release my drug into the market. This is the actual process. So during the clinical trial, what exactly happening? During the drug development process, what exactly happening? Before releasing my drug into the market, what exactly happening? Usually to release the drug into the market, how many years it will take? Anyone in chat box also you can mention how many years it will take. Very good
10 to
evaluation
20
parameter.
years.
12 to 15 years, sir.
That's excellent answer. Good, Alekia. So it will take about 12 to 15 years. Yes, Kannan, 10 to 15 years also. A very good answer. Thanks for your response. So here you are telling that 12 to 15 years. Then what happening during that period? What happening? What? So a series of investigations we are going to perform as a researcher, as a scientist, as a technician, as a laboratory expert. What happening? A series of investigations. For what? A series of investigations is to evaluate the safety and efficacy again, whether this study drug is safe or not, how much amount of time this drug is taking to produce the pharmacological activity, that I am going to identify. A series of investigations means. What are those? Toxicity studies. Toxicity studies means we are going to conduct toxicity studies in order to identify whether the drug showing any toxic effects or not. Is there any lethal effect or not? That we are going to identify. If nothing is there, yes, that is a best drug. Potency and dose finding. How much amount of drug is responsible or is sufficient to produce desired pharmacological activity, whether 10 mg, 20 mg, 100 mg, 500 mg, or 1000 mg. That is called potency or dose finding studies. And field conditions. How my study drug is acts on different age groups. How my study drug is acts on different genders. How my study drug is acts on different diseased condition patients. How my study drug is acts on pregnant women, non-pregnant women. That is called field conditions. How my drug is acts on in India. How my drug is acts on other countries. How my drug is acts on white people. How my drug is acts on black people. That is what we are going to conduct a several variety of research studies during the drug development process. That's the reason it will take about 12 to 15 years. After completing all the research studies, if everything is good, you are having very good document, very good results, then regulatory affairs team will prepare the application and submit to the regulatory authority. Once the regulatory authority checked your document, everything is good, then they will give permission to release our drug into the market. That's it. That is the clinical research. Okay, next, clinical research studies are two types. Okay, and I don't want to elaborate more, I just give you one glimpse on it. Observational study and interventional study. Observational study, we are not giving any drug wantedly. Okay, observational studies mainly conducts at hospitals, labs, and universities and primary healthcare centers as well. So patient will come and they will tell their disease or the disorder, then the doctor will give drug. What type of drug they given, they'll conduct observational study. That's it. They are not giving new drug. Got it? They are giving already marketed drug because we know about that particular drug activity in clinical trials. In observational study, a researcher will give particular drug to the patient to treat that particular illness. Then we are going to conduct observational study. For example, clinOXY multi-specialty hospital. In my hospital, we are conducting observational study. I am having 20 physicians in my hospital. Daily patients are coming and going, coming and going. In my hospital, I am having anti-malarial drug mefloquine. Observational study is going on. So patients who are coming to take treatment for their malaria, I'll prescribe this anti-malarial drug and my physicians will perform observational study. Here not clinical trial is doing. Clear? So we are not wantedly giving any drug to the patient. We are just suggesting the drug. We are just prescribing the drug. Next, interventional study. Interventional study means clinical trial. Wantedly we are giving the drug to the patient. It means subject. Clear? So 10 mg, 20 mg, 5 mg dose response studies in different studies are there. Okay, many are there. Single blinding, double blinding, cross sectional. Okay, single arm, double arm. Many are there. Cohort study. Okay, many are there. Next, what is the importance of clinical research? So by performing clinical research studies, we are going to develop new therapies and diagnostic procedures. In olden days, we don't have that much of facilities to conduct. So we do have a lot of facilities now. That is the reason every university, every lab, even the college, got it, even the laboratory comes forward to conduct a different variety of clinical research studies. Got it? That is the power of clinical research. By performing clinical research studies, we are going to know that how the disease is coming, how the disease is spreading. The best example is corona. Very simple. Before attacking entire world or the globe, do we know about corona? No, we don't know. But how we are telling, yes, corona is spreading from one person to the other person immediately. The gene techniques are more, the mutagenics are something, something, something. We are just giving more information about the corona within 10 to 15 days or 1 week. How it possible? We don't know about corona. How we given information? How it is beginning, how it is progression, what is the causative organism. Got it? How? By performing clinical research study. It's like an observational study. A researcher or the scientist observe that particular coronavirus in the society, then they get to know that and they publish the information. By performing clinical research study, we are going to identify new diseases and their treatment as well. Several conditions, brain tumor, cancer. We don't have proper treatment for cancer previously. Nowadays, we do have lot of treatments to decrease the intensity of the tumor. Development of new technologies, as we know, eye operation, retina operation, lung operation, cardiac stent. Got it? These operations take lot of time, lot of hours to complete. Nowadays, new technologies are there. A robot can do. That is the power of clinical research. So that is the importance of clinical research. Next, what is pharmacovigilance? So once the adverse event is experienced by the particular subject or the patient in the clinical trial, that information will be captured by clinical trial team. That information will be collected by clinical trial team in the form of SAE report, serious adverse event report. That report will be sent back to the which team? Pharmacovigilance team. So what they will do, they will check the data and they will enter the data into software. That software is called Argus or RSG, is called safety database. Okay, so while they are entering the data, what they will do, they will detect the adverse event, they will assess the adverse event, they'll understand the adverse event and also involving in prevention. This is according to the WHO. But with our own expertise, having a project lead, team lead, and mentoring with the different team members and dealing with different clients and all, we understand that we have to add two more, recording and reporting as well. Okay. So if you read the definition of pharmacovigilance in book, you just tell only four. But when you are learning in a real time manner, you're just going to add recording and reporting. Got it? So pharmacovigilance also includes in recording adverse event data. Pharmacovigilance also includes reporting. Yes, we are submitting the data to the regulatory authority. Clear? So what is pharmacovigilance? Pharmacovigilance is a science and activities relating to detecting, assessing, understanding, prevention, and recording and reporting of adverse events related to the clinical trial study drug or marketed drug. Pharmacovigilance we are going to conduct for clinical trial as well, for the post marketing surveillances also, so that we can discuss in further sessions of our training program. Okay, and importance of pharmacovigilance, why we need to perform pharmacovigilance. So by performing pharmacovigilance, you are going to know that unknown adverse effects. Okay, by performing pharmacovigilance you are going to know that unknown adverse events. It's like new adverse effects you are going to capture, and recognizing the changes and frequency or severity of the known adverse event, in the sense how many days or how many hours is taking to shows that particular adverse event in the group of people. For example, 100 subjects are in my clinical trial. In January month my study drug shows 20 cardiac arrest, in February 20, in March 20, in April 20, again like that cardiac arrest or some skin cancers, okay, lung cancer, so something adverse events are coming. Got it? So what is the frequency here? One adverse event, 1 month. Got it? So every 3 months patients are suffering with skin allergy. So what is the frequency of skin allergy of that particular drug? 3 months. What is the severity? Mild, moderate, or high? Is it low? Is it medium? Is it high? That severity also we are going to know by conducting pharmacovigilance studies. So risk benefit ratio. What do you mean by risk benefit ratio? So by performing, we are going to know that risk. What is the risk associated with the particular drug? What is the benefit is associated with the particular drug? How many of you guys are agree with me? Every drug having their own risk and benefit. Are you guys agree with me? Or drug is having only benefit? Your
Both
response
the
is
risk and benefits, sir.
very good, Navya. Rose, benefit and risk. Yes. Anyone? Meenakshi?
Yes, sir, both benefit and risk
Very good, Shirin. Excellent.
of fire.
Mamata? Sukanya?
Both risk and
Both
management.
very good. Both risk and benefit. Okay.
Benefit.
Gopal? Soni Priya? Vishal? Aishwarya? Sai Teja? Vedavati? Yes,
Both
absolutely.
Yes, sir.
You people are correct. Yes, absolutely. Because every drug having their own risk and benefit, but risk is low, benefit is more. That type of drugs are available in the market. If anyone is saying that, hey, you can take this drug, we don't have any adverse event, it won't shows any adverse event. Is it real? No.
No,
no,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
at
sir.
least one adverse event, one side effect will be there. So the drugs which are available in the market, they are having less number of risks, less number of adverse effects, less number of side effects, but the benefits are more. That we can get it from pharmacovigilance team. Yes, 10 adverse events, 90 benefit, 10% adverse events, 90% benefit. Yes, 80%, 90%. Which drug is having more risk and less benefits? That will be terminated. That will be banned. Okay, that will be recalled. That particular drug regulatory authority won't give permission. If drug is having more benefits, less risk, then you will get permission to release your drug into the market. That is what pharmacovigilance team will do. The pride of pharmacovigilance. Next, ensure the accuracy of information. The ultimate goal of pharmacovigilance is accuracy. Yes, my clinical trial data is good. See, there is no error. That accuracy of information is very important during clinical trials. What department will do that? Pharmacovigilance team will do that. Yes, this data is correct. No, this data is not correct. No, this information is missing. No, this information is missing. Like that, they will approach to the clinical trial team. then they will rectify the errors. The ultimate goal of pharmacovigilance is to get the accurate adverse event data of the particular study drug or the drug. Next, so we do have plenty of sections and the contents in pharmacovigilance, types of pharmacovigilance, adverse event reporting, case processing flow, different type of cases, MEDRA and WHORT, and case narratives. Many are there. Not a pharmacovigilance is like a ocean. Okay, if you learn about all these things, something 1% will be balanced. Got it? No one is perfect in pharmacovigilance. At least 0.001% will be balanced. Pharmacovigilance is an ocean. Got it? So this is all about my today's session, and you can also have a look on novel technologies, and in every seminar and every webinar and every interaction with the students, I used to tell them different type of novel technologies we do have. Okay, and we do have data analytics, and we do have machine learning. Okay, artificial intelligence, companion diagnostics, 3D printing. Okay, if you want to know more about all these novel technologies, you can just simply join clinOXY Solutions Private Limited. We just giving you a reality training programs. It's not like bookish knowledge. We are actual employees. What exactly company is doing, that is what we are going to teach you guys. It's not from the bookish knowledge. Okay, and many different type of courses we are offering through clinOXY, and our students are placed in different type of companies like Novartis, Parexel, ClinChoice, ClinSync, Icon. Many of the companies our students are working. LabCorp. Okay, many are there, and we are offering both offline and online training programs. In our training programs includes free resume building, interview questions we are going to share with you. For that we won't charge anything, and Naukri and LinkedIn profile also we are going to build, and we are going to provide you guys internship opportunity. The students who are opting offline training program in our location at Hyderabad, we are giving 1 month free internship. By that you will get two certificates. One is course completion certificate, another one is internship certificate. No institute in India is offering free internship. You can check with anyone. So clinOXY is running through actual employees. Okay, actual employees, we are actual professionals having real-time experience. By that you will get two certificate. One is course completion certificate, another one is internship certificate as well. We are also offering online training programs. You can opt clinOXY training programs. You can save our number. We do have two numbers. You can save and you can approach us. In one training program we are going to teach you 6 modules that you people know here: clinical research, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, regulatory affairs, medical writing, and medical devices. In one training, you are going to know about 6. That is a plus point for you guys. After getting 3 years experience in clinical research, if you want to move for clinical data management, our course will help you. After getting 2 to 3 years experience in pharmacovigilance, if you want to go for clinical research or scientific writing, our course will help you. There is no doubt at all. We are making you guys to stand on your knowledge. We are making you guys to start your own entrepreneurship after 3 years or 4 years experience. We'll teach you entrepreneurship also, and how to start a company, and how to mobilize, and how to invest, how to get the profits. All these things also we are going to teach you. That is completely free of cost. So this is the program content. You can see a lot of things we are going to discuss: clinical research, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, medical writing, and communication skills. Okay, so according to training programs of in India, we observed that many of the institute, I can say 90% of the institutes, are just focusing on technical knowledge. Okay, clinOXY, we are mainly focusing on communication skills, presentation skills, speaking skills also. We are making you guys to speak in front of the larger audience. We won't encourage you guys to read and remember the answer for that particular question. No, we are making you guys to explain the content. Got it? In a real time manner. So this is all about the complete program schedule. You can check. And as we mentioned, we do have a lot of certifications from Government of India, ISO certification, MSME certification, and the only one institute in India approved and recognized by the Indian Pharmaceutical Association. The certificate we are offering you globally valid. Students who are planning for foreign education, we are going to support you and give you for free career counseling as well. Okay, so we are going to make you guys successful job interview, no doubt. And we are focusing on group discussions and speaking skills and oral presentations as well. And we can say once you done the course with clinOXY, you are 100% ready to face your interview. There is no doubt at all. There is no doubt. Okay, in all the corners of clinical research, from CDM, PV, medical writing, CR, any domain, you are able to answer. That is what technical team requires from you guys. If you learn about only clinical research, they won't hire you. There is no doubt at all. If you know about only pharmacovigilance, no. Pharmacovigilance is interlinking with CDM, interlinking with regulatory affairs, interlinking with clinical research. It's our responsibility is to know about everything. So that is the reason clinOXY come up with an excellent program where you learn all the departments. Okay, as we mentioned, for if you are going to opt offline program in Hyderabad, 3 months program, and we are going to give you 1 month free internship with certificate. Online program will be 2 months training program. First month theory, second month practicals will be there, completely online classes. Next batch we are going to start from February 7th. Okay, please note the date. Just block your calendar. Registrations already started. Many of the students are joining. Just have a look on it and get a specialized structured program from clinOXY. As I mentioned previously, and if any one of you guys are planning for abroad, you can approach us. We'll give you free guidance, no doubt. This is a placement record of 2023, about 94%. Many of the students from different colleges and different life sciences like microbiology, biotechnology, MBBS, BDS, Pharma, BPharm, MPharm, PharmD, many of the students are joining in clinOXY. Not only for pharmacy graduates, we also exploring, we can also have different opportunities in pharma IT sector for licensing, biotechnology, allied life sciences, and microbiology, MBBS, BDS, MDS also. So we do have plenty of growth in clinical research sector. This is the track record of 2022, 92%. And I want to show you guys few of the students who got opportunity. Okay, in top MNCs. And we want to say that we just guide them, we just assist them. We did not given anyone job. Okay, this is clinOXY is telling, and clinOXY is very, very genuine institute in India, and we are going to give you a 5 months interviews guidance and assistance along with 100% one reference. Okay, 100% reference we are going to give you. There is no doubt at all. The success of your interview is based on your performance during the interview. How to perform, we will take care. There is no doubt at all. Okay, our program is course, our course is structured in a well-versed manner. Our students are working in IQVIA, Abbott, Cognizant, Mitocon Biopharma, Global Data, Ishnova Clinicals, Axis, Fryer, Macrocare, Fortria, Paraxel International, Tech Mahindra, Cyient, Globalogic, many of the companies our students are working. Okay, and we do have our mobile application in Google Play Store. You can enter clinOXY and you can download our mobile application. Kindly save our phone number. Please do remember, you can save our phone number, and we are going to share with you guys the number and you can save. Yes. Hmm. It's really good. When I am talking to you people guys, really, it's fantastic interaction. And many of the students are asking questions in group. Why you are just giving messages in group? Yeah, and you can put it in the chat box also. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the chat box, and I am going to take care about all your questions and concerns about training program and your future and career opportunities in PV, CDM and all. I'll talk to you guys directly. Yes, and this is one of the number which is having WhatsApp, and you can also directly contact clinOXY and 4925 11123. You can save now and you can approach. And yeah, and a few students are asking in the group like what are the salaries in pharmacovigilance and medical writing. Yeah, salaries in pharmacovigilance and medical writing will be start from 15,000. Okay, it depends on your performance and the company you applied for. Both will be there. If you performed well, if you applied for top MNC company, more than 20,000 rupees. Mid level 17, 16. Small level 14, 15, like that. Okay, in all the departments are like. And one more question: is there any differentiation salary in the B Farm and M Farm? Yes, obviously we do have some differentiation in between the B Farm, M Farm, MSc, BSc, graduate, undergraduate, but little bit, not that much. Okay, and anyone of you guys are having doubts, you can ask. And I want to show you guys of our placements record, and you can see. Can you see my screen? Anyone confirm? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
visible now? Yes, yes. Yeah, these are the students of our track record and our placement record. And again, we are saying Clinox did not given anyone job. They all are our students' hard work only. We just created a platform there they can explore, then excelled in their career. So it's of the talent of our students who trained in Clinoxy, who performed in the interview, who got opportunities. And one more you can see, yes, these are the record of highest placement record we created in the year of 2023. Really, it was about 150 plus. Okay, in the year of only 2023. Yeah, it's all about the credibility of our real-time training programs. We won't come up with no, not at all. Okay, and we won't come up with the bookish knowledge. We always believing in reality of trainings. Okay, many of the students are working in different top MNCs. Many. Our program is structured in that manner. So if you learn in a real-time manner, not only today or tomorrow or after tomorrow, for sure you will get good opportunity. There is no doubt at all. Learning is very important and knowledge is very important. That is what we are offering at Clinoxy. We are about 5 trainers, all are experienced candidates, all are 10 plus years experienced candidates. We teach it in reality, not with the bookish knowledge. Okay, not with the bookish knowledge. You can see what exactly company is doing. That is what we are going to teach. We will make you to crack your interview. We will remove the blind belief like someone will come and help me. That we are going to arise in your mind. No one will come and help you. We are the one who need to crack our interview. We people, we at Clinoxy are your friends, are your colleagues, are your relatives, will help you. Audit. So this is recent the track record and the students who got opportunity in Fortrea in pharmacovigilance as a safety science analyst. And this is our track record, and we got very good feedbacks as well from the students. And many students are telling that about clinOXY program is, yes, I learned many things during the period of training program, and they given an excellent training program. I equipped with a different type of knowledges in all the departments. So now I am ready to crack interview. That's it. That is what the feedbacks we are getting from the students. And addition to that, we are going to give you guys 5 months interview support and guidance. 100% reference will be there, and all the materials will be given to you guys digital copies to your Google Drive without charging anything. Okay, there is no payment. We won't charge for the admission and registration. There is no registration fee, there is no admission fee, there is no GST in Clinoxy. We charge only for the tuition fee. That is the only thing. Okay, and if any one of you guys are having any doubts, you can come Anyone, do you have any doubts? You can unmute and you can ask. Come on, if any one of you guys, yeah, please, you can put it in the chat box as well. Yeah, this is the right time. This is the right time to know about something new. I just explained you guys about drug development, clinical research, clinical trial, right? And pharmacovigilance, case processing, different types, importance of clinical research, importance of pharmacovigilance. Technically, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, any doubts or concerns related to the training program of clinOXY also, you can come. So offline program will be 3 months in Hyderabad. During the period of 3 months, we are going to give you guys all the 6 modules coaching with live practicals with a small project. Clear? So during the period of 3 months, you are going to know about all the 6 modules. So communication skill sessions will be there. We are going to teach you how to speak in English. We are going to conduct nearly 8 to 10 presentations. Group discussions we are going to conduct. Mock interviews we are going to conduct. We won't leave you guys without knowledge. We will help you to build your resume at our institute. We are going to assign you the system for 2 to 3 members. A single system, you can do your own practicals. Got it? So your learnings comes with your own interest only. So once comes about online program, it will be 2 months training program, 1 month theory, 1 month of 1 month practicals will be there. And both offline and online training programs, we are going to start from February 7th. Okay. And anyone, do you have any doubts? We can, and you can save our phone numbers 9492511123 for calling, and for WhatsApp 74160967999. We do have WhatsApp on this number only. Please do remember again, 74160967999. This is a WhatsApp number. You can hi message in clinOXY WhatsApp and we'll give you relevant data and the information. Anyone of you guys are having any doubts?
Sir, which branch you would suggest in M-Pharm, sir?
Pharmacy, just try to get regulatory affairs first. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
after that, you can go for anything, not an issue. And if you
Like,
are planning for clinical research, medical writing, go for pharmacology. And
okay, sir.
apart from these two, if you didn't get, you can go for anything. So
Okay,
takes
sir.
fine, not an issue.
Okay, like in terms of salaries, in which branch we will get better salaries, sir?
Better in the sense, actually, all the departments, in all the 6 departments, we do have excellent salaries. In our track record
Okay,
of Clinox, our highest package is nearly 6.5 lakhs per annum. Got it.
okay.
Lowest package also is there, 1.2 per annum. Got it. 1.2 is in same pharmacovigilance and 6.5 in same pharmacovigilance. So the people who are having, okay, and who doesn't have real knowledge and a real experience, they can tell very good number like 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs. We are actual employees. I know everything and what is the package of the companies and all. And just you can mark like 15,000 to 25,000 rupees. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For all
Thank
the
you, sir.
departments, I can say for all the departments, kindly don't stick to the one particular department. All the departments, these
Okay,
all 6 departments will give you an excellent career for you. There is no doubt at all. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank
Good,
you,
good.
sir.
Very good, very good. Always welcome. It's my pleasure to clarify all your doubts. Anyone?
Sir, this is Megha from clinOXY HR. We do have posted one question on
Yes, Megha.
mobile app for
Okay.
iOS. Could you
Okay.
please guide on the chat or
Okay.
whatever?
For iOS, we do have My Institute app will be there. Okay. And in that My Institute, you can download the My Institute app and you can mention CHHMY. The training institute code will be CHHMY. Please do remember all are small. Okay. From iOS. From iOS, you can download My Institute app. Just a second, I'm going to check again once again. Yes, absolutely. My Institute app from iOS. First, you need to download My Institute app. After, enter institute code. Okay, please. Good. Okay, CHHMY. For online program, there is an internship. Currently, we don't have any internship for online program, Bhavya, and it's not possible for us to do with the virtual internship. But we are planning. But we are planning for it. Okay, and we are going to introduce. There is no doubt at all. With internship and without internship program will be. We are going to release soon from month of March and from month of April. And meanwhile, you can opt this. Sorry, online training program from 7th. And I'm from okay, Sheikh Tanvir. I just answered your question. And how much
Yes,
fee?
sir.
The fee is very, very less amount when compared to the other institutes because our main motto is to do something good to the profession, our life sciences profession, our pharmacy profession. We won't charge much amount. We are offering many courses with very less amount of fee when compared to the other institutes in India. Okay, you can save our number, you can call to that number or message to that WhatsApp number. For sure our team members will give you reply with the relevant information. There is no doubt at all, our fee amount is not burden your parents, no doubt at all. That is very reasonable amount. For 2 or 3 programs cost we are taking for 6 modules, please do remember. For the cost of 3 modules we are taking for 6 modules, so will be benefited for 6 modules in one training program. Okay, duration of the course online program will be 2 months through Zoom. I'm just writing. Okay, and because after we are going to download this session and we'll share with you again, so that will help you in future. Yeah, 3 months in all the programs, 6 in 1 with live practicals. No, no, no. It's for all the candidates. That is what I'm telling. I also mentioned previously. Not only freshers, working professionals also. The people who are working in other companies and other departments apart from these things want to learn about new things. And this is for both freshers and experienced candidates also. Working professionals are the students who passed last 15 years, okay, sorry, last 5 years, 6 years, 7 years back. Okay, that also our program will help you. Yeah, anyone? Yes, yes, it's good to see many of the queries in the program. Why offline is 3 months and online is 2 months? Because in offline program we are giving live project. Got it? And you will be in the office and you are going to do your a normal project, a small project you are going to do. Live practicals we are going to conduct. Okay, and the content will be different. The fee structure will be different. That is the reason that is 3 months. This is 2 months. Okay. Okay, Bhavya. Am I answer your question?
Okay, sir.
Great, Bhavya. Great. Duration of the course I already given. Please check once again. And how many hours classes conduct a day? So online sessions will be per day 1 hour because this is new content and very confusing content. Got it? So if you know about one thing and you may forgot in another thing. Got it? So that's the reason we give clarity on in short duration of time. Every day 1 hour session will be there. 2 months training program. Everyday sessions we are going to record and share with you. That is the plus point from clinOXY. Yeah. Anyone, we are going to give you course completion certificate. That is completely globally valid. After training program, we give 5 months interviews, guidance and support we will give. And guidance we give along with 100% reference. Yeah. Online classes will be flexible or not. So flexible in the sense during evening time we do have sessions by 6:30 to 7:30, sometimes 7:30 to 8:30. And if you miss any session also don't worry, because we are going to record everyday sessions and we are going to share with you for future use as well. Don't worry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for guiding us.
Great, great, Shirin. Thank you so much, Shirin. Thank you so much. So I have 7 years gap in my career. Okay, no problem, Sripriya. You can restart your career, no doubt. And during the period of 7 years, what you did, we don't know. Just you can call us. Our team members will guide you according to that. For sure, will help you to kickstart your career as soon as possible. Not quickly, I can say, in a real time manner. Okay, let's see how it will be. For sure, you will start your career, no doubt at all. There is no other thing, no doubt. Okay, yeah. Anyone? Samantha, you are about to ask something. Shreya, Jahnavi. Yes, Samantha, please go ahead. Okay, Meenakshi, Mirza, Piyush.
Sir,
Yep. Tanvir, come on.
sir, like which country would be better for M-Pharm, sir, in foreign?
In foreign,
M
not country, I can say. The
okay,
region, you can go for UK. UK is good to get
UK,
more
okay,
opportunities. And we do have health informatics, bioinformatics, regulatory affairs also. And many of the
okay, okay,
consultancies are telling that pharmaceutical management, pharmaceutical process or hospital, kindly don't take
okay, okay,
such type of admissions courses. Okay, Tanvir.
okay,
Not only
okay,
you, I'm telling everyone. So if you take such courses, just imagine the same course we can complete within 1 lakh in India. Why you people are going? Yes,
yeah, yes, yes,
because consultancy people are telling that, and we do have very good growth in that. No, pharmaceutical management we also complete in India, na? Why? Health informatics you can go, and bioinformatics you can go in India. For sure, within 2 to 3 years you are going to get a very good boom for all the clinical aspects like bioinformatics and health informatics. Currently, just we are increasing the demand health informatics and bioinformatics in India. It's already there abroad, just we can expect in future. Okay,
okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
good Tanvir, good. Anyone?
Okay.
Okay, Supriya, always welcome, and wishing you good luck, everyone. Yeah, anyone? Mayur, Shantu. Yes, Pujita, come on. How is the career in hospital side and industry side? Yes, absolutely. If you are a pharmacy graduate, many of the people are telling that we do have very good opportunities in hospital sector. That is for sure. I'm agree with that. But we also have opportunities in pharma IT sector. You can also explore opportunities in pharma IT sector like clinical research, PV, CDM, medical writing, scientific writing. Most of the companies are showing interest towards the pharmacy graduates like microbiology, biotechnology, B Pharm, M Pharm, Pharmacy, all the life sciences graduates, and those are looking for. Okay, yeah. Anyone?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, after completing this training, you will provide any job offers, sir, any interviews like that?
Yes, exactly, that is what we said. 5 months interview guidance and assistance we will give you for 5 months. Every weekend we are going to share with you the opportunities where interviews are going on, which company having openings, where the walk-ins are conducting. We are going to make you guys to attend the interview. We are making you guys to answer those questions. We are making you ready to attempt that particular interview along with one personal reference. If you are ready with your original certificates and all, and if you are ready with your communication skill, technical knowledge, presentation, then for sure we will give 100% one reference will be there. There is no doubt at all. Am I answer your question, Pujita?
Sir. Ah, yes, sir, you answered, sir.
Yes, great then. You are from Pujita. You are from which college?
I am from BBAPS, sir.
Okay, great then. Great. Anyone? Shreya, Shreya Sridhar, Sushmita. Hello, Jahnavi, Mirja, Mayur, Aishwarya, Saiteja, Pavani, Bhavya.
Sir,
Yep. Come on.
I'm Sai Tejal speaking.
Yes, Saiteja.
Sir, you told about offline internships and everything and resume building.
Yep.
So, do we need to pay anything for that?
Those are completely free of cost. Who are taking training program for clinOXY for 3 months training program in Hyderabad? Those are completely free. Those are including in training program only, Saiteja.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yes. If you are availing 3 months training program in offline, addition to that, we are giving internship with certificate. If you are taking offline or online, in both courses we are offering. Okay, in both modes we are offering communication skills. We are going to conduct mock interviews. We are going to conduct presentations. We are going to give entry preparation, and we are going to support you to write a professional email, and we are going to support you to build your Naukri and LinkedIn profile professionally, and your resume preparation also. All these are in both offline and online. Am I answer your question, Saiteja?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excellent. You are from which college, Amma?
Sir, I'm from Anurag University.
Oh, is it? Oh, great then. Great. Okay. Great. Sirisha ma'am, am I right?
Yes, sir. She
Yeah.
teaches us analysis subject.
Okay, great. And your seniors and your classmates also join in clinOXY, right? They got opportunities as well. Did you know about that?
No,
Those candidates?
no, sir. Actually,
No.
I
Oh.
am in first year, first
Okay.
semester.
Fine then. Great. Very good. Sir, now is the career in hospital. Okay, fine, sir. Career in hospital for pharmacy, pharmacology qualification. So actually, hospital in the sense, if you are pharmacy graduate, okay, try to go for clinical research, either CRC or CRA. Okay, that would be good. Even any hospital, many of the hospitals are after Corona, they are conducting clinical trials. Then you can go for CRC, CRA. Okay, and next training certificate will be. Oh, yes, exactly. Thank you, Mega. Yeah, training certificate will be offered to every candidate after the successful completion of the offline and online training program. Yeah. Jahnavi, anyone, do you have any doubts? Babu, Mercy, Samantha, Kannan, really, I'm just impressed about your interaction. It was really a great session, I feel, and not my content, I can say. Okay, and but your interaction is very happy, really. That's great. That enthusiastic in learning new things, knowing about the concepts is very important. Got it. So yes. Pavani, do you have any doubts? Bhavyashri? And okay, then thank you so much, everyone. And you can save our number. Okay, please do save our number. Once again, we are just going to dropping that, so you can save 96799 is our WhatsApp number. You can save, and 11123 is our normal calling number. You can save. Also visit our website www.clinoxy.com, and you can also mail to us info@clinoxy.com. Okay, and you can also follow our LinkedIn page. Okay, I'm just going to share you guys the LinkedIn page of clinOXY, and by that you will get job notifications as well. Okay, I'm just a second. Yeah, just a second, guys. Yep, this is our clinOXY HR LinkedIn account. Okay, you can check, you can click and follow the page. You can also like, comment, share the post. By that you will get notifications as well. You can also inform about the programs and all of clinOXY to your friends, and wishing you good luck, everyone, and we'll meet in further sessions. Okay, and February 7th we are going to start new batch. Registrations also started. You can come and join and explore more content towards the clinical research and make yourself ready for the interviews. Okay, and thank you so much, Mercy, and good luck, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the session. And many thanks for your participation and time, students.
Yes, thank you,
As
Megha. Thank you very
as
much.
sir mentioned, online and offline sessions will start from February 7th, that is from next week. So we look forward for your responses. And for any queries on admission, you can contact the below pasted numbers to clinOXY office. And our HR department will provide you complete information if you have any queries also. Thank you. Thanks for your time once again.
Thank you.